Demystifying the market: shares, stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Look, you've got to stop losing money just because of confusing financial jargon. Let's get right into it.
Are you totally confused by words like shares, stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds? Well, in less than a minute, you are going to finally understand the exact difference between these four foundational terms. We are fixing this right now.
First up, a share. What is it? A share is simply one tiny, specific piece of a single company. Buy one, and boom, you are literally a part owner. Think of it like holding a single brick that belongs to a much larger building.
Now, stock. Stock is really just a broader, general term for owning pieces of one or more companies. So if a share is that one specific brick we just talked about, stock is the entire house built from all those bricks. People actually use the words stock and share interchangeably all the time. So what's the key difference here? It's all about specificity. You buy specific shares of a single company, right? But you invest generally in the stock market.
And as you can see, you buy these little pieces on the stock exchange. But what if you actually want to buy into a ton of different companies all at once without having to individually pick every single one?
Well, enter the ETF. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is basically like buying an entire basket of companies with a single purchase. Instead of picking one company, you own tiny pieces of many because it tracks a whole market index while still trading exactly like an individual stock.
Hey, if this is all finally making sense to you, hit that like button. Okay, let's move on to the mutual fund. This one also pools money from many investors to build a diversified portfolio. But here is the major difference. A professional fund manager actually handpicks and actively manages those investments for you.
So, just to quickly recap, an ETF, that's your passive basket that just tracks an index. A mutual fund, that is your professionally managed, active basket, carefully chosen by an expert.
Make sure to subscribe to this explainer so you can master a brand new, super easy finance lesson every single week.
All right, now you know the difference. So, out of shares, stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, which one do you want to learn more about next? Drop your answer down in the comments.